Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I received my May 2018 Target Beauty Box in the mail last night, May 15th. I ordered it on May 7th. It went live about 2 o'clock in the morning, and I ordered it along with the Sonia Kashuk curated box, which I've already shared with you guys. And I thought I would do things a little bit different. Normally, I just tell you that these come with a coupon and that kind of thing, but I actually went and used it, and I thought I would do a separate video on how I used it. And nobody wanted the Sonia Kashuk one, so I actually went and used it as well, so I'll share with you what I got for her from what they have at Target for her products. But anyway, this is what's just inside this box. It was $7 plus tax. Took a little longer than a week to get here, which normally it doesn't take that long. It comes with the card with the description of the products and a $3 off $15 coupon. Coupon for other cosmetic purchases, hair products, that kind of thing. So this is what's inside. I opened it up, but I didn't look inside to see what was in there. I just took the this coupon off so I could use it, and I don't remember what was coming. So, okay, so the first thing is a St. Ives cleansing stick. Cactus, water, and hibiscus instantly hydrates and softens skin as you cleanse. I have never heard of such a thing. Directions: wet face, twist up stick, and rub over skin. Massage with fingertips, rinse and glow. So it's for face. Okay, that's strange. Now Berlin's going to bark and I'm going to lose my marbles. It looks like deodorant. Does it like pop up? It does. It looks like deodorant. Ooh. It smells really good, but I guess you just rub it, put water on it. That is really weird. I've never heard of such a thing. So it's a cleansing stick by St. Ives. It smells really good. I don't think I would use it on my face though. You know, it's kind of weird, don't you think? Okay. A Soap&Glory Scrub of Your Life Super Smoothing Body Buffer. We've had quite a few products from Soap&Glory. More sunscreen. I know I'm so white and I should tell you the guys that I wear sunscreen, but unless it's in my face makeup, I don't wear it, and that's bad on me. So everybody use sunscreen. Don't be like me. But here is a Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen with SPF 55, Helioplex Broad Spectrum UVA UVB Lightweight Clean Fill. It says it's fast absorbing and water resistant for 80 minutes. So let's see. Oh, I just put it on the soap thing. That was stupid. It smells good, and it does absorb fast. It doesn't feel it feels sticky, but it could be because I put it on soap because I'm an idiot. Okay, so what is this? This is Free&Lovely Lavender and Amber Refreshing Mist with essential oils, free of paraben and stuff. What is this? I don't like just a body spray. It doesn't use it on animal testing and that kind of thing, so that's good. It doesn't have any mineral oil in it. A dreamy blend of soothing lavender and creamy golden amber. Simply spritz on body or in air to enjoy this refreshing mist. I'm not a fan of lavender, but it doesn't smell like stinky. Ooh, I really like that. Lavender and amber. The amber is definitely the game player in that. Oh, that is very nice. Very nice. So, did everybody get the same scent, I wonder? This is interesting. Ooh, I really like that. It smells light and fresh. Oh, I like that. Okay, so Skunky Spirals, No Damage, Elevated Basics. So little thingy do-bobbers here. I've never used this kind of thing on my hair. I'll probably keep the brownish one and then pass the other two on to my daughter because she uses all kinds of hair things. I just use a clip. Like my hair, if it's not down, like if it is not free-flowing, it is in this. And this kind of matches my hair. But I don't really use anything else for my hair. So, oh well. Oh, yeah. Okay, here is Refresh and Restore Coconut Miracle Oil Dry Shampoo. I don't use dry shampoo at all. I have 6 of these things. This is the first one of this, but I have 4 by one company and then 1 by Nexus. So this is the 6th one, and I'll just collect them and then give them away. But that's that. I don't want to spray it or anything. Here's a La Roche-Posay Lipicar Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. It has prebiotic thermal water for extra dry sensitive skin in babies, children, and adults, appropriate for body and face. So, okay, so just a lotion. The package is all busted up. Let's see. I know we've used this stuff before, or this company before. I don't have any complaints about it. So, I can only smell that mist. I can't smell anything else but that spray. It's nice though. It's really nice. I actually might use this as a primer. It has that primer feel to it. So, okay, I kind of like it. It's a balm, but I might use it as a primer. So there's the La Roche-Posay balm for skin, the Skunkies for the hair. This is definitely a good value. I'm not hating it. I love this stuff. This smells so good. I will probably take this to Ireland and like spritz the pillows and stuff before we sleep. Love it. This smells so good. Free&Lovely by Bodycology. I don't think I said that. Bodycology, isn't that at Walmart? Well, I guess it would also be at Target, right? Extra strength dry shampoo. That's the only thing. I know I should use this. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. This is going to be interesting. I'll give it a shot. It's really intriguing to me. The St. Ives Cleansing Stick and the, as per usual, Soap&Glory product, which I know I've used shower scrub by them before. Anyway, that is it. That's definitely a good value for $7. It's a heavy box. Plus you get this coupon, which I will then share in another video, but it was 3 off 15, and I really did a really good job with couponing in that sense. So thank you all so much for watching. Normally Target Beauty Boxes go live the first Monday of every month. I'm not sure why. I think for the past 2 months it's been a little bit altered, but it went live May 7th this month. Always, if you are interested, get them right away because they don't really last 24 hours. So thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned for another video of how I use these coupons.